good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have here the Variofill ice cream peeling machine. So it has a problem of this the peeling intermittently, it is not working. So we are checking now the pneumatic control valve. This is for the cylinder to push the ice cream out, and this one is for the injection of the nozzle. So we're going to rectify the issue of this machine. The compressor is working. There is an internal compressor. The pressure is normal. Okay, now we will show you what's the issue of this machine. So it's this continuously. Yes, so there is a delay. So that means the control valve is not working properly, but we will going to check through the supply. Okay, so that's the issue. When pressing this, the nozzle should discharge the ice cream. So we have removed the solenoid socket. Now if I press it, it's not going to work, as this is the control valve. So what we're going to do, we'll check whether the reaction or the supply is cutting off according to the switch control. So we're going to check it with the multimeter. Okay, so here we have the solenoid coil, 24 volt AC, 5.5 amps. So what we'll do, we're going to verify if the voltage is there. So we disconnect and then set our multimeter to AC voltage. Then we're going to check, verify if the voltage is there. Okay, press now the switch. Foot switch, press the foot switch. 24 volt is there. So that means our supply is okay. So the problem is from the valve controller. Valve controller getting stuck. Okay, so even if we use metal here, I press the switch. See, there's a magnet. Off the switch. Turn off. Okay. On. Off. Okay, so that means coil is also okay. Now the culprit is the pneumatic control valve. So we have to change this one. Okay. So I hope you like the video and you learned something. This is a Variofill ice cream peeler. Okay, so we have removed the broken restrictor valve and the 4x6 controller. Okay, and then we are changing this. Plus we will going to install 2 filters for here. See, it is having this residue from the ice cream, from the dosing system, and when it enters into the control valve is getting stuck. So that's why it's malfunctioning. So we bought a new one. It's an equivalent, and the filters. So we will install the filters here, so that there is no ice cream or mix entering into the control valve. Got 2. Okay, so this is how we permanently solve the issue of the control valve getting faulty. So we have to transfer the fittings and go inside. That is because of the ice cream mix is going back to the cylinder. So here is the supply. This is the open and close. So when it activates or energizes, the mix is getting sucked and enters inside the system through the exhaust. Okay, so to prevent that, we use the filter. Going to use the filter here. Strainer. Okay, so we have installed the cylinder, the control valve. This is the old one. We use the old fittings. Again, the issue here is this is getting stuck. It's not working properly and intermittently malfunctioning. Okay, so now we have changed this broken part, and then we installed these two filters and connected the new control valve. Okay, and we have service and clean also this water inlet pipe. So these are the old parts. Going to check the starter unit. So the problem is from here the mix is going back to the controller. Now our countermeasure, because the root cause is the mix is getting inside, it's get stuck and damaged. So we use these filters so that it will not enter here. This will be cleanable. These two filters. The air compressor, so main water supply pump, pipe, air compressor, air tank, controller, pressure controller, and supply. Okay. So it pressurizes here to push the ice cream out. See, perfect, no? Okay.
Thank you. So you can come now.
How is it more good? It's less than 1 bar. But now it's stopping immediately. Okay, very good. Okay, so after we fix the control valve, now the machine is stopping, or the filling is stopping immediately. It is reacting immediately. Before, it was continuously dripping, and also sometimes not getting, not discharging, correct? Now it is perfectly working. So they can able to do it now easily. So what we did, we modified we put this filters, and then we changed the faulty control valve. Okay, then we have replaced also the broken restrictor valve. Now it is perfectly working. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you learned something from this video. So this is the ice cream peeling machine from Variofill. TELLME Variofill. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and God bless everyone.